Hey guys, welcome back to the RV. I'm the Wholesome Nomad, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own DIY non-toxic dish soap. This is super important for us because we don't have a dishwasher, so we wash all of our dishes by hand, and I knew I wanted to have a product that was non-toxic and not harmful to the environment. I know there's a bunch of different recipes out there where you can make one completely from scratch, but to be completely honest with you, I don't have time for that. So I like to do a really easy version using your run-of-the-mill free and clear soap. I love this brand from 7th Generation. I picked it up at Target. And of course, my trusty essential oils. The essential oils I chose to use today are rosemary and lemon. The reason we're going to be using both of these is because they both have a lot of really great properties for cleaning and they smell really nice together. Plus, they're super gentle on the hands and they just make a really nice pairing. So all you're going to need to do is find some sort of container for your soap. I prefer to use glass because over time your essential oils will actually slowly degrade any kind of plastic or synthetic aluminum. So you want to make sure you're using glass or maybe even stainless steel, but glass seems to be more readily available. I picked this super cute one up, I think at a flea market or something somewhere for just a couple of bucks. So all you're going to do is add your essential oils first. Again, we're using rosemary and lemon today, and I'm just going to do about 5 to 10 drops of each essential oil here in our container. I just love the way rosemary smells. It's really kind of herbaceous, but bright and fresh. And then of course, lemon. Lemon has a bunch of different uses, and I'll link up to a blog post below this video so you can read all about lemon and why it's one of my most favorite essential oils to have in the kitchen as well as for cleaning. Okay, then all we're gonna do is top off this jar with our non-toxic, free and clear, non-scented, no dyes dish soap. All right, put the top back on, maybe. And there you have it, your very own easy DIY non-toxic dish soap. This usually lasts me about a month, month and a half, and like I said, we wash all of our dishes by hand. So I really think it's a great cost savings too in the long run, and I don't have to worry about any harmful chemicals on my dishes, on my skin, or going out into the environment when we flush our tanks. I hope you found today's episode helpful. Stay tuned for the next one, and we'll check in soon. Safe travels!